guys, it's Taylor Claypack back again with another YouTube video. And so the day that I'm making this right now is literally the next day after I went out with my friends and we saw all those Halloween props. It's July 1st. And on June 28th, I made a purchase. And I got my first life size. And it is the Gemmy life size singing and dancing Santa with the realistic face, and I believe it's, I want to say that around maybe 2014 to 2015 model, something like that. I know it's like a first gen because of like the look of it. It's crazy, you know, because I've been wanting this item for so long, and you know, I'm gonna be moving again, and I figured, you know, why not get my first life size, at least one. You know, I'll probably be able to find a spot to put it, especially when it's like in the box or something, when I move again. And right now I'm staying with my grandfather for a little while, hence the different background. I'm in the living room, and that's why you saw a different background on those other two videos. You know, well, my intros for those videos basically that I made on the same day, but that's my bedroom here. So, oh, by the way, this box, I did not expect the box to be as big as it was. Literally, I don't know if it's just a shipping box or what, but here, I'll like show you real quick. Literally, this is the size of the box itself. And I know, like, I'm kind of soaked right now because I literally just let the dogs out quick and it's raining. And that's why I have the lights on. So this is my first life size. And I remember when I was a kid, it was a little bit after I started collecting the fish, and I knew of other things and I wanted other things, but I really wanted this item for such a long time. I just was never able to get it. And I remember I had hoped in the beginning that, like, you know, it would be my first life size, but then after a certain amount of time, like, I stopped thinking about it, really. And then, you know, eventually, like, I stopped everything altogether, and then I came back, and, you know, of course I still wanted the item, and I never really actually thought that it'd probably end up being my first life size, but here we are. And since it's my first life size, this is also, my first setup video, so that's pretty awesome, and I've been dying to make some of those, so I'm happy I at least get to make one right now. Try to get this. Oh, there's a lot of tape on this. I didn't think the box was gonna be like as big as it was, unless this is just a shipping box, but still, I was just like, what the heck, man? It's a big box. I don't even know which way it's facing. Is this thing upside down? Oh god, this is the box itself. Oh crap. Oh, it might be upside down, I know. This is just cardboard. Trash. Aha. More trash. Trying to be sure that I can get this thing out, and I don't want to. I think it's upside down. What if I could just. Is it out? Yes, it's out. Okay. Now I gotta put all this crap in here. I know you can't only see me. I'm using my phone right now. I didn't grab the camera. I got it with me, but I don't know. I just want to use my phone. I got a new phone. If you haven't seen my Insta, but I got the iPhone 11. Real quick. Here we are right now. I gotta unwrap all this. I might have to use the scissors, actually. Oh, there it is. Oh, snap. A box. From what I know on the description, at least for what it said on the description, they said that the dancing mechanism doesn't work. Like, they said either a specific part might be loose on the mechanism, or it might need a new motor. So, and I'm sure that I can figure out how to fix it. I mean, if I can't, then of course, you know, I got people that can help me fix it, but eventually I'll fix it. It's just not, it might be a while though. you know, I can't exactly fix it while I'm here. I'm gonna have to wait till I move back with my father. I'll show you guys. Oh, maybe it's, oh crap, it is upside down. Oh. I believe. Yep, never mind. Look, it was on the side. Okay. I know you can't see very well. I guess me unpacking this thing. We're gonna have to put this box outside here in a little bit. Actually, I might just do that quick and then I'll come back and then show the inside of the box. Well, I'll show the box first, but okay. All right, so now I'm back. I just got back from basically running because it's raining, but I guess let's reveal what we first see inside. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna need to get a wider. Okay, cool. I got a wider angle. Good. Oh, never mind. Well, that's actually good that they packed this thing. I gotta get all this trash out. Oh, well, there's the head peeking out. Alright. Holy crap, man. I mean, it's a life size, of course, so of course it's gonna be big, but it's like, wow, the face. That is a big head. Oh my god. Alright. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's all the trash. So I just got rid of all that trash real quick before we get into getting him out. I kind of want to show the box just so you guys can see it. That's the top. Santa Claus, San Nicolas. Plug in your MP3 player for a customized performance, blah, blah, blah. That's like Spanish, I think. His mouth and head move as he sings and dances. Upscale accessories and dress, realistic facial features and beard, blah, blah, blah. Sound, motion, push down, activated. I never even paid attention to this box, so I'm actually kind of wanting to look at it a little bit here. It is a quick and easy setup. You could straight up tell it is because, I mean, I watched videos on this thing, like on how to set it up, just to get a general idea, and it does look easy. Let's see this side. Okay, it's the same as the other side, basically. And I think the bottom is probably nothing. All right. Now, let's just kind of get into taking all these parts out. I have to use both hands, though. One thing I don't even know is, like, did this thing even come with instructions? But I guess either way, we'll find out. I guess we'll start with taking out this big head. Uh-oh, it's caught in something. Why are you caught in something? There we go. No, it's not. That's its head. Oh, that's the mechanism, of course, for the dancing, and then this whole, like, body piece. This whole freaking piece. Oh, this must be, like... I'm just thinking, this might be to attach a specific thing. Or specific part, I mean. This adapter, doesn't this take, like, 9 volt? Oh, crap, I gotta wait to get that out. Well, guys, this is, like I said, this is my first life size I've ever gotten. So, this is new for me. It says this thing is supposed to be, like, 6 feet tall. Probably have to disassemble it and then put it away, like, after I'm done messing with it, probably. Poles. Oh, it's cool. These are just attached. Another pole. Oh, wait. I think it's, you put these on, and then you put that thing on, and then the one pole goes on that. Okay, I think I might actually be able to do this. It didn't come with instructions or anything like that. So I think I might actually be able to do this. Because, like, I'm remembering, like, the videos and everything that I got to see. This is the base. Oh, wait, is it already? Oh, it's plugged in already. I didn't even notice that. Okay, what is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is an aux cable. I'm trying to think of what I want to do, because, I mean, I don't want my grandfather to, like, pop in, because he's been gone. I don't want him to pop in and, like, see me setting this thing up in the living room. I'm debating on just going in my room for this. Alright, so now I'm in my room. Granted, it's a bigger space out there, probably be much easier to do it, but I'll just manage in my room. So, I do want to show you the base just super quick. So that's the base. There's the connector, and then, you know, there's the English and Spanish switch on and off, or on for the button and then the sensor, and then MP3 player, volume. I just turned it all the way down. MP3 cable, if you want to do that, 9-volt adapter. So, well, and the button. And also, just super quick, I want to show the face. My room is honestly a mess right now because I was moving a bunch of crap in here. But anyway, I'm just gonna shut up and we'll get into setting this guy up. So I had to move it a little forward, obviously, base. Okay, so now, where's the clothing? There it is. I have to put this clothing piece on first. Okay, so there's one, and then this has to kind of slide under, but that's 2. So I just have to kind of slide it over. I'm honestly happy that I got this model. You know, you could just tell it's like better quality, I guess, you know, when it comes down to the way it's made. Though I've heard that the sound quality on the newer ones are a bit better, but you know. Okay, so there we go. Clothing piece. For now. Anyway. Alright, so gotta get 2 poles. These 2 poles. You know, put them like that. And then the other like that. I know this thing just kind of goes like this. Okay. And then there's this pole that just kind of goes on top like that. Now I gotta move the phone up. Good enough. That's a DVD that you're looking at, like this right here. That is part of a DVD. I'm sorry, but that's all I got right now, I guess, to, you know. Anyway. Alright, I'll get back to that in a minute. My grandfather's back. Sorry, my grandfather came back from doing what he was doing and whatnot. But anyway, oh yeah, this piece. Watch out, Sparky. Oh yeah, go like this. I have to turn at me, or maybe not. Or maybe kind of. There's this cable here. I think the arrows have to face each other. Okay. Now, time to dress him up a little bit. This is kind of difficult. Watch out, Zoe. Watch out. It's probably a long video. I'm sorry, guys. You know what? Here, hang on. I'm gonna stop this real fast. Okay, so we're getting somewhere finally. That was a pain in the neck to dress, and I have to Velcro the back, but I'm gonna put his head on. There he is, pretty much. So there it is, just standing here in his glory. Give a close-up to his face, you know, just real quick, and hands. They kind of just fix themselves, I guess, when you put the outfit on, which is nice. The outfit was a pain to put on, and I had to adjust like these, you know, those parts on the body for it, you know. And as you can see, I finally got this all velcroed, so that's good. Now we are going to mess with it. It's lighting up now, which is nice. It was raining earlier like crazy. Oh goodness. Is it on? The frame? Oh, I know why. Okay, it's not gonna dance, but I know exactly why. It's because it's in the constant mode. Cool. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ho, 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 bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! We have a lot to do tonight, so let's go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish I'll show
it
up close a little bit.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I think it's like 5'8" though. It doesn't really seem exactly like it would be 6 foot.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho, 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 ho. And what do you want for Christmas, little child? Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Decked all with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. See the blazing blue before us. Fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la. Ho ho ho.
Let's try Spanish. Okay. I didn't realize it was gonna do that. Okay, there we go.
Feliz
Probably need
Navidad
to
a
set.
todos, feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos, y un buen año también. Feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos.
In another video, I'll turn it up louder. I'm not gonna do that right now.
Feliz Navidad y un buen año también. Feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos, y un buen año también. Feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos, feliz Navidad a todos.
He keeps jumping on me. Hello. I love you too. Yes, I do. Can I push the button again? Are you scared of it? You're scared of all my other stuff. I don't even know if I played all the songs. I like forgot. Hi, buddy. I'm gonna see if the sensor works. Actually, I'm gonna flip it back to English though. Just, you know, I think that might have to push the button again so it resets, right? Never mind. I guess not.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open
I'll find out in a little bit. I'm just kind of messing with it. My other dog's just kind of chilling on my bed. Watch out, buddy. Can I get through here? There's a switch. That's on button.
We have a lot to do tonight.
The sensor works.
Go. Wish you a Merry
I don't know how sensitive it is, but
Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
ow.
Wish
Hit my
you
elbow.
a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho, 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 ho. And what do you want for Christmas, little son? Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, okay.
Merry Christmas.
I just moved my foot in front of it.
Tis the season to be jolly.
Okay.
This is going to be the best
Here, I'll let you guys.
ever.
Oh my god, it's been 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a long video. I'm so sorry.
The chimney with lots of toys, all for the little one's Christmas joy. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on a house top, click, click, click. Well, now what is he here? Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Alright. I'm just gonna stop it now because this video is probably gonna be really long. But I hope that you guys enjoyed otherwise, and like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, etc., you know. And I'll see y'all whenever my next video might be. So, peace out.